beauty of heaven and earth, the order of the four seasons, the gifts of nature to all living beings. Humanity relies on nature for everything. It is Ruizhi's mission to strive for environmental preservation, a goal Ruizhi had been pursuing relentlessly. Our story began in 2003. 20 years is 7,300 days of persistence. Wenzhou Ruizhi Packing Machinery Co. Limited has been dedicated to the research and production of environmentally friendly paper bag machines. We design and produce various machine models with different configurations to meet the practical needs of different customers, letting them to choose flexibly. Fully automatic high-speed square-bottom paper bag machine series, fully automatic high-speed flat-bottom paper bag machine series, can also be equipped with printing machine function, see-through window function, twisted rope handle and flat handle function, etc. In this ever-changing packaging industry, we always adhere to strict quality management standards to ensure that every machine can operate in a high-performance, low-fault, and high-efficiency state. We work day and night, focusing on every detail, constantly observing, identifying every possible improvement point. When the device is in operation, thousands of components work together seamlessly, making each device flawless. We keep moving forward, our footsteps covering various parts of the world. Our products are being produced and assembled online at a rate of over 35 units per month. They have been sold well in more than 20 provinces and cities across the country, as well as being exported to over 80 countries in Europe, America, Asia, Africa, and more. We're not just an equipment supplier, but also your professional partner. We will respond to customer needs within a short time and provide comprehensive services, including technical consultation, installation and commissioning, operator training, as well as providing supporting equipment and packaging materials, and more. In 2023, we start anew. With the rapid growth and advancement of our company, we have now established a modern production base covering an area of 50 acres, with a total construction area of 75,000 square meters, including a modern workshop area of 48,000 square meters. The new production base is equipped with advanced production equipment, featuring efficient production lines and storage systems. To meet the growing market demand, we will provide customers with high-quality products and services. With a new look and higher production capacity, this is our commitment to the future. Hundreds of boats compete, 1,000 sails in the race, in the midst of breaking waves and strong winds. Today, Ruizhi Packing Machinery is already a leader in the industry, but our mission has just begun. When the future is yet to be created, and the path ahead is still unknown, Ruizhi Packing Machinery is willing to be a pioneer, using every step forward to create infinite possibilities.